trying to be crack. She wanted me cut it. That bitch is a baby. I'm a fucking house, not purr.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Brandontooflashy coming to another video, and today I'm gonna be going through and showing you guys how to get y'all home screen right with iOS 14 with the new widgets features. Now, listen. I know a lot of y'all watching this video is probably a lot like me. Now, I was going on Snapchat all day, and all I seen was people reposting their lock screens and their home screens and all that. And I'm thinking to myself, like, yeah, that's hard and all. I would do that, but I'm just too lazy to do it. It's probably way too hard. It's probably a lot of steps. That's what I was personally thinking. So I was like, bro, fuck that. I'm not doing this. I'm not gonna do it. And then I was going to work, and I was a little bit early, so I was sitting in the parking lot, and I was just like, let me try to do it real quick before I go to work. And I almost made myself late to work, bro. I was doing my screen. I got my whole screen right almost in like 10 minutes. It's really not that hard to do. It's really, the only thing that really takes a minute is like, because once you get it, you're going to want to keep changing it. You're going to want to keep making it like how you want it. So that's really the only thing that takes a while, man. This was really an easy tutorial. So before we get into this video, man, go ahead and leave a like, comment, subscribe, man. We're on the road to 300. We just hit 293 subscribers. I really do appreciate that from you guys, man. But without further ado, man, let's go ahead and get into the video.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start off on my home screen right here. I'm going to just start by swiping left and show you guys. These are the widgets. When you scroll to the left, these are the widgets that are automatically come with your phone. And then if you scroll all the way to the right, this is your app library. This is also a part of the update. It just puts all your apps over here just in case you change how the icons look and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and get into the video and how you can make your screen look like this. So basically you're going to need two apps. The third one is optional. So I got it all up in here. You're going to need Widgetsmith. You're going to need color widgets. And then if you want your apps to be able to do like this right here, how I have like the V-Loan, the Comme des Garçons, the Bape. If you want that, you're going to need the Shortcuts app. It comes with iPhone. All these apps are also free, but this one, the Shortcuts app, already comes with iPhone. If it's not on your iPhone, you just got to re-download it all from the App Store. So these are the three apps you're going to need. All right, so if you want to add widgets like these little pictures on the screen are all called widgets right here. This is a large widget. This is a large one. This is a smaller one. The ones that cover like this part of the screen, the medium part of the screen, like the skull up here, are the medium ones. Like these two, the Travis and the Juice WRLD are small. These two are small, and then the OTF one at the bottom is a medium. So how do you do this right here? So I got this little side screen right here, so I'm going to customize this screen so y'all can all see what I'm doing. So we're going to open up Widgetsmith first right here. And as you guys can see, you guys probably won't have stuff like this right here yet. It's going to say add widget right here. Add small widget, add a medium widget, add a large widget. So basically, those are what I was telling you earlier. So if you want to add a small widget, all you're going to do is press add. You're going to click it. Now, you do not have to add a picture if you don't want to. You can put the day and the date. You can put the month. You can put what week of the year, month and the day. You know what I'm saying? You can do that. You can change the font if you want to, if that's really what you want to do. You can change the color of it. You know, fit it to how your screen is. You can change the background. There's a lot of different things you can change within this. Now, so that's what you would do. So let's just save this real quick, and let's just pretend that we're going to want to do one of these. So what you want to do is hold down on your screen, and you're going to press the add at the top left corner, and you're going to scroll all the way down to where it says Widgetsmith at the bottom, and you're going to click it, and then it's going to give you the option to add a small widget, a medium widget, or a large widget. So we just made that small one, so we're going to press add widget, right? And as you guys can see, it's right here. The widget that we just made, small number 8. If you have different widgets, for example, like if you already have different small ones, like I could press Trav right here, and the picture of Travis Scott would pop up right there. So let's just do that one right quick. Let me show you guys how to add a picture. So if you want to do it like that way, you can do it with the month and the date. If you want to add a picture, you're going to press default widget, and you're going to scroll like on the style part, you're going to scroll all the way to where it says photo. You're going to press photo right there. And then at the bottom where it says selected photo, you're going to click that. And then it's going to give you the option to choose a picture in your camera roll. I'm going to just pick this one right here with the Bentley. We're going to press the back button. We're going to press save. Now, I'm going to rename this one just so that you guys, I would recommend that you guys put names on them just in case that you're going to have a lot of them. So I'm going to name this like just whatever those emojis are. So as you can see, if you wanted to add that picture in, you're going to hold the screen, you're going to press the plus, you're going to scroll all the way down to Widgetsmith, add a small widget. And if you guys can see, that's not the one that we picked, right? That's not the Bentley picture. So what you want to do, if it comes up like that, you can press done, you can hold it, press edit widget, click this, and then you can literally pick whichever one you want it to be. I had this one. So for example, boom, there it is. That's really how you get the smaller ones. Like I have the Velo and I got the Trav one. So that's what you want to do if you want to add a smaller widget. Now, if you want to add a widget like maybe like I had the vape one. So you're going to press add large widget. You can go here. You can, let's make this one. Since I showed you guys how to do picture, let's do one with like custom text or something. Let's put 999. Shout out my boy Juice. So we're going to put 999, right? And I'm going to name it 999 too, just so that we don't get confused. So you press save or whatever. So now, just like we had to add small widget, you do the same thing. You hold the screen, you press the plus, you scroll down to Widgetsmith, and instead of small widget, this one was a large widget. So you're going to scroll all the way over to where it says large widgets, press add widget, and boom. There you go. You got the picture. Again, if it's not the one that you had put originally, you can just click it. It was saying we put using 999. Boom, there it is. So it's going to pop up like this. Now, you guys also can press edit home screen. You can drag around like where you, oh shit, you can like drag around where you put the stuff at. Like you don't have to have it where it originally puts it. So you can I could do it like that. I could move it around. You can do it to where if you have 4 apps right here, 4 apps right there, you know what I'm saying? So you can only do I'm pretty sure it's 1 small with 1 large widget, and then you can do 2 smalls with 1 medium. So that's how that works. You cannot use 2 smalls with a large though, because that's just too many widgets, and they're not going to work with that. So that's how you do the widgets. Basically, it's really simple. Like I'm going to show you guys. Like basically, they make it look hard, but it's really not. They make it look a whole lot more complicated than it is. So like as you guys can see, I have these 2 small widgets because y'all know I got to be out the gas and stuff like that, and I got the medium one at the bottom. So you can kind of mix and match them how you want them to be. But now let me show you guys how to do it like this, like how to make the apps different, like stuff or whatever. So we're gonna use Twitch for this example right here, or Photomath. One of them, doesn't really matter. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna open shortcuts right here, and you're gonna press this plus right here, and then you're gonna press add action. So when you press add action, it's gonna look like something like this, and you're gonna have a bunch of apps and stuff that you can do. So right here in actions, you're gonna press open, and then you're gonna press app, open app. So when you do this, it's going to come up like this, and it's going to give you the option to choose any app that you want. So right here is where you'll choose the app that you want to make any picture of, you know what I'm saying? So let's do 5 miles, the app. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to press next. You're going to name it whatever you want. So this is going to be what the underneath of the app is going to look like. So I'm going to just put an X because, you know, I'm going to like make sure y'all know what I'm doing for the video. So I'm going to put an X or whatever, and we're going to press done. As you guys can see, those are all the other apps that I have, and like stuff like that. So if you want to add a picture to it, you want to press those. Oh, let me go back. You want to press those 3 dots to the top left or top right corner, and then you're going to press it one more time, and you're going to press add to home screen, and then don't press the one at the top because it doesn't work. If you press the one at the bottom where it has like the picture of these two, it's going to give you a drop down to take a photo, choose a photo, or choose a file. So I'm going to press choose photo, and I'm going to just use I'm going to use this one, the Velo and Palm Angels picture. And then you're going to press add. So once you add it to your home screen, it's going to look something like this. And you can click it, and it's going to take you right to the app every time. So a lot of people are doing this to, you know, try to make color coordinate their lock screen, or, you know, just do different things. You know what I'm saying? Like, so as you guys can see, the Velo one right here, the Velo and Palm Angels is with an X. All you have to do is click it, and then it'll take you straight into the app. And then if you don't want this app to be on your home screen anymore, like it's gonna say that it's gonna delete it from your home screen, but it's not deleting it from your phone. It's just gonna keep the shortcut instead of having 2 of the same app on your screen. So what you want to do is you're gonna hold on the app. You're gonna press remove, and then if you want to fully delete the app, you can press delete app, or if you don't, you can press move to app library. So when you do that, it'll take it off your home screen. But if I scroll all the way over to the right, like this, I can go to recently added. I can still open it. It's still there. Like, it's just not on my home screen, so it doesn't take up, you know, this ever. So that's basically going to wrap up this video, man. Like I said, it's really easy. Really, once you get a hang of it, man, I'm telling you, I almost made myself late to work just by almost doing this all day, man. I was really trying to get my screen right. If you guys do like my screen, or if you guys want to get any pictures, just DM me on Instagram. I definitely will hit you guys up with those pictures. Also, a lot of people are color coding theirs. I didn't color code mine because I just, you know, I don't have the time for that. But If you want to go through and color code it, again, it looks really hard. I'm not going to cap. That does look dope when all your things are like red or all of them are green or whatever. So yeah, man, if you guys want to do that, man, just let me know. Send me you guys pictures if you guys do make some hard things, man. But anyway, man, this is Brandontooflashy. Like I said, we're on the road to 300. So if you would, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And also, my XXL video is almost at 2,000. So I really want to say greatly appreciate you guys for that. But without further ado, man, it's Brandontooflashy. I'm going to see y'all in the next video. I'm out. Peace.
Yeah, I'm the man. Inside my backwood be like 4 grams. Dope. Hey, came in and built with 100 shit just like the Taliban. 100s on me and they wrapped in a rubber band. Can't tell me shit, bitch, I been the man. Gotta watch how I move right around with the country. I be lighting up anywhere like I'm from Amsterdam. 100s on me, bitch, I done do the Abraham. All that slice on me, bitch, I feel like a snowman.